Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Despite a Bank of Canada rate drop, Guelph home prices decreased slightly in the month of June. With that said, the market continues to remain in a reasonably stable state. Let's take a look at the key month-over-month Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats relative to May of this year. For Guelph, the median sale price was just over $747,000, which is down by 4.5%. The average sale price per square foot was $529, which is up by 6.2%. The total number of listings was 333, down by 13.3%, and the total number of sales was 190, with no change month over month. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $735,000, down by 0.7%. In Waterloo, it was $765,000, down by 4.4%. And in Cambridge, it actually increased slightly to $745,000, up by 0.6%. Guelph's real estate market experienced some shifts that are important to understand. Home sale prices dipped by 4.5% compared to May, reflecting a cooling trend in the market. This decline extends to an 8.8% drop from June of 2023. Year-over-year price drops were also seen in all of our Tri-City markets. In terms of new listings, June saw a total of 333 new homes entering the market in Guelph, which represents a 13.3% decrease from May of this year. This suggests that fewer sellers were putting their homes up on the market for sale last month. However, when we compare this to last year's numbers, there's an 8.1% increase in new listings, indicating more seller activity this time than the same time period last year. Increased year-over-year listing activity was also seen in Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. In summary, June's real estate market in Guelph reveals a mixed picture. While home sale prices and new listings have seen some short-term decreases, the long-term trends indicate substantial growth and stability. The steady number of homes sold suggests a balanced market where buyer interest remains relatively constant. If you're considering buying, selling, or making a move this year, please feel free to reach out to me. Your planning should actually be starting right now if you're considering a move before Christmas. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.